Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Dodge Journey trunk. We will cover the most common methods, ensuring you can always access your cargo space. First, we will look at the exterior button, then the convenient key fob option. Finally, we will explore the interior release mechanisms, including the emergency latch. Let's get started and make opening your trunk a breeze. The most straightforward way to open your trunk is by pressing the soft touch button located just above your license plate. Simply give it a firm press, and the trunk should pop open. Alternatively, your key fob offers a convenient solution. Just hold down the trunk icon button for about 2 seconds, and the latch will release, allowing you easy access to your cargo. If exterior methods aren't working, or you're inside the vehicle, look for the interior release. Many Dodge Journey models feature a small lever or button located near the driver's seat, often on the lower left dashboard. For emergencies, there's a glow-in-the-dark handle inside the trunk itself. Pulling this handle will manually unlatch the trunk, providing a crucial safety feature. Sometimes, a trunk might not open due to simple issues. Always check for any items obstructing the latch mechanism. A weak or dead vehicle battery can also prevent electronic releases from functioning, so ensure your battery is charged. If problems persist, your owner's manual is an excellent resource, providing specific details for your Dodge Journey model. Happy travels!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.